Okay, this morning I've set it to go to the carpeted areas, the rumpus room, theatre room and master bedroom. We are up and running at the moment in our rumpus room. The two bedrooms off the rumpus room have never been mapped, so it shouldn't be going in there. It does not know those rooms exist. We have not had an issue in vacuum only mode. So once it's done these three rooms, hopefully successfully, we'll come back and check the map, check the logs, let it fully recharge, and then later today we will do a vacuum and mop on the tiled areas where it has consistently failed the last few days. We will also, at the end of this video that shows you if it fails, an overnight sequence where the IR lights on the front of the camera have been cycling on and off, something we have never seen before and never been captured by our security camera system until last night. So once again, as in all areas that the Deebot goes to, all obstacles off the floor have been removed. It will just carry out its task. There is no need for it to avoid obstacles or navigate around things. Well, here it comes. After saying this not failed in vacuum mode, no sooner as I'd walked away, it has failed. The area it was cleaning, the rumpus room, no longer shows the map data. It won't say going on charge, it won't empty the bin. And if I go to the clean log, it still thinks it's down there. If I go to the cleaning log, nothing today. So there you go, it has now failed in vacuum mode only, mop mode only, vacuum and mop mode. So all three modes have failed. So this is yesterday's attempt. There was about 5 failed attempts before this one, which I aborted to grab the camera, accidentally hit auto clean, cancelled that one, and then successfully managed later that day, 13:40 in the afternoon, to finally get it to do 81 square meters. Today it was meant to vacuum 3 rooms, probably did a quarter of one of them and then gave up. It has failed once again. Let's send it on its way again. Let's go. Rumpus room, theatre room, master bedroom, vacuum only. Start.
Begin vacuuming.
Okay, begin vacuuming. We'll come back and check that a bit later on, see if it completes those 3 rooms. Okay, we see it's made its way to the rumpus room and it has commenced vacuuming. We can see a path on the carpet here. It has tried this morning before it gave up. Alright, we'll monitor that, see if we can't capture it completing the 3 rooms this time. Okay, so far so good on the second run. capture it when it moves to the next room. Okay, looks like we have successfully completed one room, and we're going to make our way to the next one to once again vacuum. I do have bar stools here that do get lifted up when it cleans this area. We're not cleaning this area. Where are you going? It's heading back to the base station, not to the room that's meant to be cleaning. Might want to take a shortcut here through the dining room area, which is not the quite direction it should be going. I really don't know where it thinks it's going. It's over near the base station there, and it should be heading to that green area, which it could have gotten to by going straight up. Might make life a bit easier for this thing. Let's move some chairs out of its way. Shouldn't have to do that. Now, it's going into the theatre room here. Alright, we're now in the theatre room. Let it do its job. We'll come back and check the map. Why it got lost on its way here. It seems to do that periodically. Okay, theatre room successfully vacuumed, and now we're up into the master bedroom. So check the logs on that, see that it has completed those 3 rooms, second time or second attempt to run. We're at 51% battery. When it recharges, we'll try vacuum and mop the tiled area and see if it can successfully do that. Okay, according to the map, we had nearly completed this 3rd room. So sometimes it works first go, sometimes second go, as in this case, and sometimes about the 7th or 8th go, as in yesterday's case. So we have just stopped, we have now completed.
Cleaning completed.
There we go.
Return to station.
So this is a successful clean of 3 rooms. We should have a log. Okay, our 3 areas are still shown on the map. Okay, we are heading back to our base station. Okay, cleaning log completed. You still see the 3 rooms showing the map path, and today we have a successful clean. Okay, earlier in the video I mentioned the infrared beams coming from the Ecovacs overnight, which we've never picked up before. So right here is our Ecovacs unit and its base station, and the time signature right now is 23:27, and if I play that video, there you go, the IR beam fires on for a couple of seconds, goes off, 23:27, 23:28, so it happens twice in a minute. This goes off a couple of seconds later. We're still at 23:28 in the timeline. Comes on again, goes off, comes on again. Not sure why it's doing this. 23, 28. So in the space of 2 or 3 minutes here, it does it quite a lot. And then it does nothing for an hour and a half nearly. So I'll just let it cycle through this. I'll try and catch up the timeline there. 23:30, a couple of minutes later. Goes again. So you can see in the timeline, 23:32 it's doing it. Jump forward to 12 minutes to 1 and it does it. So nothing else is happening in this room except for this, which is picked up by the cameras. And you'll see somewhere around here, huge gap around here, huge gap around 3-ish. So I'm unsure as to why it's doing that, and we've never ever noticed that before.